Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is DNA, dropping another one for you. Today we are headed out into the prairie, through Nebraska, to a roadside stop. We're in Carhenge, a replica of Stonehenge made out of old cars. Go check it out. It's an awesome roadside stop. The absolute best part about this roadside stop is that it's free. Additional sculptures have been erected at the site as well. It's known as the Car Art Reserve. As you can see, some of the cars are buried in a pit. Other ones are stacked on top of other cars. And you are literally just in the middle of nowhere, Nebraska. It was definitely worth it to get out, stretch our legs, hang out at the gift shop for a little, and get the chance to walk around and check out these old cars. So thanks for stopping by the channel today to check out Carhenge. As always, if you like the content, make sure you subscribe and click the like button. Stay tuned for the next one, y'all. DNA Ventures. Adventure is who we are.